Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Oh! What's up now, man? I record a voice note. Me hear record matic say.
So how we are send that voice note to my general? How we are send the dash man?
One people you don't know it's the troublemaker God there. You see me? You know the things that you don't know the premiums to go. You see me? And right now we have another banger prank. You understand how the premium set? So right now then the building still. You see it? You know the things set, and from me there, you know say nothing good. And you know say I be trouble. And you know say I be laughing still. So basically, as you read the title, you know what this prank is all about. So I'll send the wrong message to me G them, the wrong message to me contacts in my WhatsApp. You see me? And here them all say. So this message is all about a leak. You see me? A leak message sent to the wrong number about how glad to them do that and do the crime good. You see me? So right now, people, if you haven't subscribed as yet, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, share the video, and make sure you say when you get the channel to 2K because we are going hard for the week and realize say, yo, one video post one year and right now it has shot still. You see me? Intense goes for 8 steps. You don't know so one day I trend see me and right now in another week 5 videos me I post in another week. So you know so nothing good. You see me? So right now we'll get right tonight. You see me? Big up earmuffs for the visuals. You understand? You know the thing said, you see me make sure you say, yo, that prank kinda normal. So the first person on the list, before me start the video, yeah, but someone will play the intro. The intro. So let's get right into the video right now, people. You see me? Let's go right into the video. So right now, my voice note, all nice. I'm the first person on the list. I hope YouTube not block a video or nothing, you see me? Me can't place now. So I come off line a couple minutes ago. So yeah, voice note is all about. I hope in reply still, you see me? Yeah, no. Open reply. You know say dog, yo, me glad how you dash your dog while you're in a dog. You know the crime going on dog, you see me? You see when that man chat too much on them way there. So we have to dash them, you see me? Dash them was simple. I like how me give you a call and you just run in and thing. You see me? I make we just bury body. You see it? I like how you do thing. No joke. You see me? No joke. I like how you do thing. You see me? So anytime every day just come link me for me give you money. You see me? Alright, me I tell you say yo. 2 ticky gone for now.
Yo, me glad how you dash your dog while you're in a dog. You know the crime going on dog. You see me? You saw that man chat too much on them way there. So we have to dash them, you see me? Dash them was simple. I like how me give you a call and you just run in and thing. You see me? I make we just bury body. You see it? I like how you do thing. No joke, you see me? No joke, I like how you do thing, you see me? So anytime you just come link me to me give you money, you see?
So you don't know, say yo, disclaimer, now nothing to do with crime, you don't know, it's all about imagination, nothing no go so. You understand? This is a prank, nothing no go so people. You understand? And I hope WhatsApp nobody gonna report me and them thing there. For them thing, you see me? Or YouTube, because nothing no go so. No that showing thing no go nowhere. And no that showing thing no happen. You see me? So send it to Kirk, see you. So I come offline a couple minutes ago. Yo dog, you know so I'm glad how you dash your dog by the dog. Same time I link you up dog, I know say you're match the crime still, you see me? And we have to bury body still, you see it? You know the things it. You see anytime you're ready, you just come link me up for me for payments. No joke, you see me brother? Alright, I want the can work. Done. me just keep myself down 50 cents. Yo, you know what I like? What do you mean now? The video good, bro? Yo, dog, I like how you dash your dog over there, dog. Because when a man a chat too much, dog, you can't make them keep living, you see me? Brother, you see, I like how you just run on as me shout you up, brother. You're ready long time to do your crime, you see it? So right now, anytime you're ready for the payments, you just come link me, you see me? You know my place already. Alright, so, I'm only see it fast now. Charismatic only see it fast. Let me listen back a voice note every sound good.
I like how you dash your dog over there, dog. Because when a man a chat too much, dog, you can't make them keep living, you see me? Brother, you see, I like how you just run on as me shout you up, brother. You're ready long time to do your crime, you see it? So right now, anytime you're ready for the payment, you just go link me, you see me? You know my place already. Alright,
so you see the message, you don't reply it. The dog don't reply it, you see me? Dog don't reply it, no joke. Dog don't reply it, none at all. Yo, dog, I like how you match the crime on there, dog. No joke. You just dash your dogs to dog, you see me? I like how you do crime, dog. As me shout you up, you just match the crime, you see me? I like how you do thing, dog. So anytime ready for your payments, dog, you just come give me a shot, you see me? Straight up. Alright, so.
Yo, dog, I like how you match the crime on there, dog. No joke. You just dash your dogs to dog, you see me? I like how you do crime, dog. As me shout you up, you just match the crime, you see me? I like how you do thing, dog. So anytime ready for your payments, dog, you just come give me a shot, you see me? Straight up.
Alright, so people, charismatic reply. Alright, so charismatic reply and say, what kind of fuckery you are telling, man? Alright, so I'll call it dog. I'll call it. Yo, dog. Yo, I know you forget a voice note there, dog. I know you forget a voice note there, dog. Yo, I say I know you forget a voice note there. You that's showing your body for me, dog.
You're not killing nobody, sir.
Brother, me say I know you forget a voice note there, dog. You see voice note, just nobody gonna leak it thing, dog.
I seen somebody good, dog.
Eh?
Oh, I go in a man and see like a prank thing goes down from man.
What?
If you like a prank thing them count for man.
Which prank thing, brother?
Brother, easy, man.
How do I wanna? Yo, just delete the voice note out of your phone, dog. Cause nothing go say. This is pre. Delete the voice note, dog. Huh? No, man, and then you forget the voice note, brother. I send the voice. Alright, so you calling up people. You calling up. Alright, so me hear what Rusty I say.
Yo, where you say that? When you go shoot some movie, let me know, brother.
Yo, dog, I know you forget a voice note there, dog. Just delete the voice note, dog. You know what Matt said. I know you forget a voice note there, no joke. Yo, brother, delete the voice note, dog, because I know you forget the voice note. See, I'll be calling up, dog. Alright, so you're the dog. I'll try if I want to screech it down. Yo, dog, you know something like when you match the crime, dog. As me shout you up, you just run in and turn on the crime still. You see me? I like when you just dash your dog so I make we bury him. You see me? You know your premium set, yo. You see anytime you're ready, dog, just come link me. Me have a food for you, you see? Alright, so I'm see where this dog will say now, you tell him, say, yo! What's up now, man, my record a voice note. Me hear your charismatic, I say.
So how you send that voice note to my general? How you send go dash your man?
Alright, so man, I say, how me send go dash man?
So how you send that?
Yo, it's a little killing me send go do a crime, you see me? Nobody pray that, dog. Just load that. Because I wrong. Not if you forget a text the dog. You see me?
So how we are send that voice note to me general? How we are send go dash your man?
Alright, so I'm send a catty. I'm send a catty because I like how catty them roll still. I like bad girl, you see me? You know you pre-men so. Yo dog, you know so I like how you dash your man so dog. Yo, as me shout you up brother, you just do the crime, you see me? And I like how you deal with the crime still. Clean. Like no trace or nothing dog. But the same time ready dog, just gonna link me. Me have a payment to you see me? Alright, so I want catty that get the voice now. You see me?
Yeah, man, I hear that you boy you send Killy go do crime. You can't send no little Killy go do no crime.
You're good dog, you're good. You know you crime good dog. You gotta pray that dog, you know you prank thing go. Alright, screech it down see it, screech it down reply.
Yeah, fuck away. Yeah, big fuck. Yo, how are you gonna shit the movie?
Rusty alright, so Ty's reply, first cat reply.
Yeah, that boy, man, I'm listening.
And when I get so fucking upset, I don't bother blood clot talk English bomber clot grammar. Cause them thing they get me very bomber clot upset. Seen?
I fuck with that! Bomber clap! Me don't like that!
Yeah, that boy, man, I'm listening.
Yo, dog, you know something like how you dash your man so dog. Yo.
Watch it. Yo, phone I ring up. Whoa! Who this a call? Who this a call? People, I wonder who a call. So people all you ring my phone. Yo, I tell say yo, a prank kinda normal. Watch out. Call come in for no call on it.
Yeah, that boy, man, I'm listening.
Yo, you know, so now you forget a voice note there. Yo, delete a voice note there. You see me? I know you forget a voice note there. John was star.
Yeah, you're good, man. Yeah, try prank. You can't prank me. You know, you can't prank me, dog.
Yeah, then me short back screech down. Me short back screech down. Short back it dog, you see me? Yeah, no. Short back it dog. Yo, I pray.
Man, that voice note there said me, I'm going to get this.
Which voice note?
The one they just said about a minute ago.
Me not send a voice note, dog.
What do you mean? You didn't see that?
No, sir, me not send no voice note, dog.
Check me chat between me and you. You said it's a voice note, bad man.
Let me check it.
Yo, dog, you know something like it.
How do you forget the voice note there, dog?
Come in, no, cause the voice note, me don't say enough of it.
No free that, dog. Delete that, dog.
That's what I say, oh.
Mad move.
But,
Yo, a Frank epic, dog. Frank epic. Alright, so I'm send one of that cat eat. Send one of that cat eat. You see me? Like how the people that call for it. You see me? The people that get prank, it's for Kurtmatic. Kurtmatic saying can't get prank. Wait, man. They have something on line up for you here. Yo, dog, you know what I like when you dash your dog over there, dog. As me giving a shout, dog, when you just run in and turn on anything, dog. Yo, that's something I like when he man them roll. Isn't me? I like when he kill them roll, so. Isn't me? Everything clean, no trace, dog. Isn't me? Yo, anytime I'm ready for your payments, you just come give me a shout. Isn't me? When you know what the be sorry. Alright, so me hear what a cat here saying.
yo, dog, you know what I like when you dash your dog over there, dog. As me doing a show.
Let me see if I can record. Oh, it's a record.
shut down and just run in and turn on and thing, dog. Yo, that's what I like when he man them road. Isn't it? I like when he kill them road. So, isn't it? Everything clean, no?
Yo, man, I tell them, say, yo, people, a prank and a normal, you see me? Pranking and normal, that. Alright, so, I link all that nigga in my crew, you see me? Yo, dog, you know what I like when you do that? Delete that. Yo, dog, I like when you do crime with your dog. As I'm going to shout that and you just run on and turn on it in dog. Yo, not even a trace, no, everything clean, you see me? I like on the road, brother. You see me? I like on the road, John was star, yo. Anytime I'm ready for your PM still, you just come link me. You know the base already, you see it? Alright, so here this a nigga here say. Gone for one tick. Gonna keep dog gone. So you don't know this is for only entertainment purpose. This is not a serious thing. This is not real. You hear me I say? So you don't pray that. You hear me I say, people? Don't pray that. Alright, so yo, dog, you know what I like when you do crime with your dog. Yo, everything clean, dog, not about trace, brother. Yo, I like when you do crime, dog, no joke. You see me? You see anytime I'm ready, dog, you just gonna link me for your payments. You see it? This is not real, you hear? This is a prank. Public. The dog don't see anything and the dog not reply because you know what things said. What's my for prank? Not a prank. Alright, so Biggs reply and say, what you talking about? Yo, dog, you know what, so then you forget a voice note there, dog. Yo, delete that, dog. Mistake, brother. I know you forget a voice note there, dog. John was star. Alright, so I see a couple of them I reply. I know what I'm going. This is the final person because some of them people are seeing the message and they not reply, you see me? Because they know it's a serious thing this and they don't want WhatsApp chase them, you see me? Yo. You know what I say? You see if you don't give a video 100 likes. 100 likes. You see that week here? A big video job. Big video back a straight job. You see me? Big video. 5 videos for this week. No joke. Me I go hard a week here. You see me? I want some more pranks for that week here. So you don't not reply. So man ain't not replying. Come like man ain't free, man.
Yeah, you're good, man.
Yo, say what? Dog, I know you forget a voice note there, no, dog. I know you forget a voice note there, dog. Yo, dog, delete that, brother. Alright, so you know what? This is the end of this epic prank. You see me? This is the end. You see me? Big up on yourself. You see me? Make sure you say yo. Subscribe, share the video. Make sure you say video got 1,000 views and even more and beyond and higher than that. You understand? You know what things set, and you don't know this is DJ from the Troublemaker Squad. This is a Troublemaker epic prank. You see me? Big up on yourself. Signing out. A commercial like goes after this. Right? Big up on yourself. If I may reach this far in this video, you know what this video is all about. This is not a commercial and this is not a promotion. And this is surely not an advertisement. You hear me I say now? Yo, so we have this little thing I go on, one can get some discount. You see me for the merchandise because you don't know what's the merch them out. So the discount code is, because I reach so far in the video, so I whisper what the discount code is. So the discount code is Troublemaker 123. You see me? That is discount code. So when you click the link in the description and go to DJ Joe merch store, make sure you say yo, you put in a discount code. You understand? I mean now repeat it because you don't know. This promotion ends. You don't know February 29. You understand? Go get your merch. Buy anything from DJ Joe merch. Zine, straight up.
And Amos and the Troublemaker Squad. I don't know so what's that one name.